you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so grateful you are here today and watching this video, and I hope this will help you on your path, in your life journey, healing journey, wherever you are in your life. And today I'm going to talk about how to attract your dream life effortlessly, because you deserve it. You deserve ease, you deserve abundance. We all do. We are all worthy. It's our birthright that we are born here, and we are energy, and we have always a choice. And it's three main things that I have learned in my life journey, and I think it's really important to know. And it's like so much easier than you might think, and sometimes we just think that's so complicated and you need to do all of these things to make it happen, to make your dream life, to have a dream life like right now. But actually it's like so simple. Like, actually, you have your dream life right now if you can just see the positive of the things, and that you don't need everything that your ego tells you to have your dream life, that you put like on a pedestal. Because it's already here, and it's already done. And you can just look at the things the way you want to perceive things. You always have a choice. So that's a really beautiful thing of it. But the first thing I'm gonna say to attract your dream life effortlessly is detachment. Because detachment is so important, because we are like taught that in a relationship you need to be dependent on the other and making you happy, like they have to make you happy and you have to make them happy, like please each other. It's much about like pleasing. And I think there's many people pleasers in the world, and I have been one too. I am still a bit, but I'm working on it, and I'm really going forward, and I really do feel like a different person today, and I've shifted energy so many times, transformation stuff. So detachment is the process, but you can always, it's always a choice. You always have a choice, like right now in the present moment, to detach yourself from the person or from the situation. Because when you are detached to something or someone, like an outcome, your dream life, and put that on a pedestal, and then you want it to be like a specific way to have that, then you push it more away. Because you want to control it so badly that it can't work, it can't go in a flow. You need to like go in a flow, like the masculine and feminine energy, and being like yin and yang, like to just feel in the present moment what is right for you right now, and not to like think and analyze what to do and stuff in the future. Then it's just gonna get so much worse, and you like need to control it. You feel like you need to control it, and that is just a belief from your childhood, from society. So it's really important to detach yourself, and you can do that by meditating and going inward to focus on your heart, focus on yourself, and also feel the feelings you have. Maybe you feel heartbreak, or you feel sad or angry at yourself or at others, but it's just like a projection of yourself that you like are angry at someone. It's not something personal to do with them. It's always to do with you when you are triggered. Sometimes it may not see it like that, but it actually is. Because how you get triggered yourself is just like a trauma, or how you perceive things. So it's always something to do with yourself. And it's not like it's your fault or others' fault, it's just what happened. And like, if you observe it, it's just what it is, and you have the choice to change it. And it's completely okay where you are right now. Everything is okay. There's nothing like right or wrong or what you make it to. It's only what you make it to. So detachment is so important, and I think that the best way, like I said, is meditation. And to focus on yourself, focus on your passion, and focus on helping others, focusing on love inside of you. Because when you focus on that, you also attract automatically more love into your life, because you are a reflection, and others are a reflection of you, where you are in your life right now and how you perceive things. So love is the answer to everything. inside of you. Everything is inside of you. And when you like feel these ego feelings, like selfishness and all these things, like also if you feel like sad and stuff, that sadness is there for a reason, and it's okay to be sad, it's okay to be angry. It is there because you haven't listened to yourself truly, authentically, 100%, and that is okay because we're not perfect as humans, but we are perfect authentically. And just feel the feelings you have, like sadness and heartbreak, and just feel it with observing it. You don't need to go into the feeling, because meditation is not about being blank. It's about observing your thoughts and feelings just as they are, and not a part of you. They're just outside of you, like flowing by like clouds. I like that vision, like visualizing they're just flying by, like not giving them any attention. But if you like feel something, like just feel where it is in your body, and then just feel it as it is in your physical body. You don't need to like go in the feeling. It's always a choice. So this was part 1, and if you would like part 2 to come up how to attract your dream life effortlessly, then like and peace and subscribe for more. That would mean the world to me. Remember with the bell so you get an update when I'm posting a new video. And I just send you a lot of unconditional love, and I'll see you next time.